introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Karen. I come from China, in Nanjing, in the middle of China.
My name is Bobo. I come from north of Taiwan, and I live in a little like countryside near Taipei actually.
My name is Lucky, age is secret. And I come from China. My hometown is Art City, but I working in Shenzhen.
So I want you to look at the laptop. I have just 2 reading passages, and after each passage I'll ask only 2 questions. Okay?
Okay.
Let's start with the first one.
Now it's time for your local weather forecast. Tomorrow will be very sunny, warm and breezy. However, after the weekend is over, the weather will become cold and much cold. When it's still warmer, make sure to enjoy the beautiful weather and plan all your outdoor activities.
Now it's time for your local weather forecast. Tomorrow will be very sunny, warm and breezy. However, after the weekend is over, the weather will become cloudy and much colder. While it's still warm, make sure to enjoy your beautiful weather and plan all your outdoor activities.
Now it's time for your local weather forecast. Tomorrow will be very sunny, warm and freezing. However, after the weekend is over, the weather will become cloudy and much colder. While it's still warm, make sure to enjoy the beautiful weather and plan all your outdoor activities.
Okay, here's the first question. What's your favorite type of weather?
First, I like cloudy, but sometimes I like raining actually. Because raining is let me calm and I can stay at home. I don't like the sun, especially at the beach.
Cloudy. My favorite weather is cloudy. Not too hot, not too cold.
Sunny day. Sometimes make me more activities, make me happy. I can go outside with my friends, jumping, hiking, something.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun.
I like outside activities.
Fantastic. Let's go to the second question.
On Wednesday, October 17, we will begin installing new internet connections in your building. Unfortunately, computers in most offices will be without internet for most of the day. However, by 10 a.m., we expect to finish the new installations in the main lobby, conference room, and several workshop rooms. Please use those locations if you require internet access on the day in question.
On Wednesday, October 17, we will be beginning install new internet connections in your building. Uniformly, computers in most offices will be without internet for most of the day. However, by 10 a.m., we expect to finish the new steps in the main lobby, conference room, and several working rooms. Please use those locations if you require internet access on the day in question.
On Wednesday, October 17, we will begin installing new internet communication in your building. Unfortunately, computer in most offices will be without internet for most of the day. However, by 10 a.m., we expected to finish the new installation in the main lobby, conference room, and several workshop rooms. Please use the location if you require internet across on the day in question.
All right. So my first question is, how often do you use the internet?
Nowadays, the internet is very important to me. I need to use it every day.
Every day. Every day. Anytime, I think. Internet, I watch TV, YouTube.
Marcus is an idiot. I don't know whose tail it is.
Every day.
Every day.
Yes, because I need to research something or saw a video on YouTube.
What will you do if you don't have internet connection?
Oh, I cannot imagine it if no internet. If no internet, how can I do?
If there are actually no internet, maybe sleeping. Okay.
Maybe I will ask the other one, get some more information, reading books or newspaper.
Alright, thank you very much.
Thank
So
you.
we're finished for today.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Oh,